In this problem, we have 2 points on Cartesian coordinates. So basically, x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to -4, and x2 equal to -3, y2 equal to 3 meters. So first question, we should find distance between these points. So part A. So distance in x direction will be equal to delta x, let's call it x2 minus x1 basically. So -3 minus 2 will be equal to -5 meters. Distance in y direction, in vertical direction, will be equal to y2 minus y1, which is 3 minus -4 will be equal to 7 meters. So distance between these 2 points, basically we found in x direction and the distance in y direction, but the total distance will be equal to, let's call it just capital R, which is, we know that direction between x and y is 90 degree perpendicular, so basically we need to use Pythagorean theorem. So delta x square plus delta y square, which means 5 square, -5 square plus 7 square and square root, so R will be equal to approximately 8.6 meters. This is the distance between 2 points. So further, we have a part B, their polar coordinates. Here we need to draw, of course. So let me draw quickly for the first one. So x is positive, y component is negative, so basically it is somewhere here. So we should find this angle and this distance. Let me call it R1, let me call this angle phi1. So R1 basically will be equal to x1 square plus y1 square, which is equal to 2 square plus -4 square. So R1, the polar coordinates R will be equal to 4.47 meters. This angle, let me find this angle first of all, and it will be easy to find phi1. So let's pay attention to this right triangle, and this angle, let me call it alpha 1. So tangent alpha 1 will be equal to y side, which is 4 divided by this side x, which means 2. Basically will be equal to 2. From here alpha 1 will be equal to, just it's a matter of calculator, angle equal to approximately 63.4 degrees, but we need this angle. It means we should subtract 360 degrees minus 63.4, which will be equal to 296.6, approximately 297. This will be phi1. So this is a polar coordinates for the first part. In the same way we can find for the second one, -3 and 3. Let me draw it quickly. X and y direction. X is -3, y is +3, so it's here. R, let's call it R2. We need to find this angle. Let's call it phi2, and R, this side equal to 3, magnitude of this side is also 3. So R2 equal to square root 3 square plus 3 square, basically equal to approximately 4.24 4 meters. Now we need to find phi2. So let me first find this angle, because it's easy to calculate this angle. So as you see, tangent alpha 2 equal to 3 over 3, which is 1. Tangent 1 means alpha 2 equal to 45 degrees. So phi 2 will be equal to 180 minus 45, which means phi equal to 135 degrees. So polar coordinates for the second point equal to are 4.24, angle 135 degrees.